just about 5:55 in the morning, and I've been working pretty much, a good part of the day on this. Let's say a good 7 hours, maybe 8 hours, maybe more on this part of the game. It's just because it's not so obvious for me, never having gone to school to learn code. And so every time I do it, I'd write the whole thing over again just to see if I can remember what I did the last time. So I start a whole new file from scratch, and I just retype everything. That makes sense to me. And then, of course, I run into some problems. So here we go. Here is the file, the game file that I got so far. I got Control Plus. So, as you can see, it's still the same menu, and for now, I've set it up just to make it easier for me to see what's going on. I still have a timer that counts up to 8, and as long as I press on a button, there is no animation. But Mario here, I set it up with programming so that Mario will run, jump, and then turn around and jump, and then stop, and then after those instructions are set, he goes back to his original position. So at some point, I'm going to set it up so he runs halfway across the screen, then every other element starts moving backwards across the screen, and then he's jumping over, he's having contact with blocks and baddies and bad guys, and then it just resets like it does in the original game. So that's where I'm at. Yeah, I know I don't have any of the stones at the bottom. I'm going to be using what you call a for loop to set everything up, all the coordinates. Because when you have many times the same object, you use a loop instead of having to program in each coordinate. A loop will do it all for you. And it sort of saves room for... You don't have to write as much programming, and the computer doesn't have to process so much information. So, all right, so that's where I'm at. I'm really tired. And like I say, it doesn't look like much, but I swear to God, you do this, and you'll be bleeding from your eyeballs, just like me. Not literally, but let's just say that I'm pretty freaking tired. Anyway, have a good Easter, and so that's my update.